Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drink mixer is probably one of the most underrated kitchen appliances out there, but trust me, once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of creamy milkshakes, frothy malts, and perfectly blended drinks with this amazing gadget. Get ready to elevate your home beverage game because we're about to find out if this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Mueller Ultra Stick 8-Speed Immersion Blender. Tired of lumpy mixtures? This immersion blender is your solution. It mixes, blends, whisks, and froths quickly and efficiently. This blender comes with multiple detachable accessories. It includes a blending shaft, a whisk, and a milk frother, making it perfect for various recipes. The attachments are easy to use. The stainless steel blending shaft is great for shakes and soups. The frother is perfect for all milk types, and the whisk is ideal for whipping cream or batter. Need extra power? Activate the turbo mode. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle make it comfortable to use, and the blade housing reduces splashes. Using it is simple. Just attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed as needed. See the included instructions for more details. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like? This blender is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile tool in the kitchen. It comes with multiple attachments, making it easy to create smoothies, whip cream, or even froth milk. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your blending needs, you should consider this one. What people say? It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. It is easy to use and easy to clean. The 8-speed settings made it easy to get just the right consistency, and the stainless steel build feels solid and reliable. Number 4. Turelar 5-in-1 Immersion Blender Set. Tired of lumpy soups and uneven blends? This powerful blender, with its 1100W motor, makes creating velvety smooth purees a breeze. It significantly enhances blending and chopping capabilities. Control the speed with ease using the trigger design. It allows you to switch from low to high speed quickly. This feature makes it easy to puree, emulsify, or whip with just one touch. Cleaning up is a snap with this blender's unique design. The blade guard minimizes suction and prevents scratches on your cookware. This keeps splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen. The stylish and ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable, non-slip hold. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook, making it ideal for housewarming parties or holidays. This blender comes with multiple attachments and is easy to clean. It's UL approved with advanced safety technology. You can use it safely even with hot ingredients. The blades are reinforced and food grade for exceptional sharpness and durability. The breaker and chopper are 100% BPA free for safe use. It is designed to last. What we like? The key highlight of this blender is its powerful motor. It can handle tough ingredients with ease, providing significantly stronger blending capabilities. If you are looking for a blender that can handle a variety of tasks, from soups to smoothies, this is a great choice. What people say? The Hamilton Beach Drink Mixer is a great product for making milkshakes, malts, and other mixed drinks. It has a powerful motor that quickly blends ingredients. The mixer is easy to clean and store. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 4-quart stand mixer with attachments. This stand mixer ensures ingredients are mixed thoroughly. The planetary mixing action provides complete bowl coverage as the attachment rotates around the entire bowl. The powerful 300-watt motor maintains a constant speed, no matter how thick or heavy the ingredients are. It can handle even the toughest dough. It comes with a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. These attachments allow you to knead dough, mix cookie dough, and whip cream. The stainless steel bowl is built to last. It also includes a removable splatter shield for easy cleanup. The bowl is dishwasher safe. It has 7 speeds to handle every mixing task. You can slowly fold ingredients or whip cream at top speed. What we like? This stand mixer is designed for those who love to bake. It offers thorough mixing and complete bowl coverage, ensuring that all ingredients are perfectly combined. If you like baking and want to achieve professional results, you should consider this one. What people say. It does the job. It is lightweight, which means it is easy for me to lift out of the cabinet below the counter. It mixes well, and I have only used the 1 to 2 settings. Number 2. Immersion Blender 1100W 3-in-1 Handheld. This handheld blender boasts an 1100W motor, providing robust power for all your blending needs. It effortlessly mixes, blends, and purees ingredients, making your time in the kitchen efficient and enjoyable. With a pulse-activated trigger, you can easily adjust the speed from low to high. This gives you better control when blending hot or cold liquids, reducing splattering and freeing your hands for other tasks. This 3-in-1 set includes a blending shaft, an egg whisk, and a milk frother. It's perfect for shakes, soups, sauces, and even baby food. It is ideal for quick meal prep and various kitchen needs. The bell-shaped base and food-grade nylon blade guard protect your pots and pans from scratches. It also prevents splatters, keeping your clothes and kitchen clean. All the parts come apart easily and are dishwasher safe. The main body can be cleaned by simply wiping it with a soft, damp cloth. It is designed for your convenience. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it ensures safe use, even with hot ingredients. This makes it a healthy choice for your cooking experience. It offers a non-slip and comfortable grip for continuous blending. It's a perfect gift for chefs, moms, or anyone who loves to cook, suitable for various occasions. What we like. This blender offers convenient one-hand trigger speed control. It allows you to easily adjust the speed from low to high for blending, pureeing, emulsifying, or whisking. If you are looking for a blender that is easy to use and clean, you should consider this one. What people say. The Hamilton Beach Drink Mixer is a great product for making milkshakes, malts, and other drinks. It has a powerful motor that quickly mixes ingredients. The mixer is easy to clean and has a sturdy base. Number 1. PRASKY Max 2400W 1000W Blender Combo. This blender features a powerful motor that reaches high speeds. It has an enhanced blade that can easily crush ice and blend fruits and vegetables. With just a simple twist, you can effortlessly create smoothies and shakes. The blender includes a large container, perfect for making smoothies. It also comes with an on-the-go cup, making it easy to enjoy nutrient-rich drinks. It's ideal for both family meals and commercial use. This countertop blender offers variable speed and pulse options for customized blending. You have full control over the consistency of your drinks. It ensures every texture is perfect. This blender can replace up to 6 appliances. It can crush, blend, chop, grind, process, puree, or liquefy. It's perfect for various recipes, from smoothies to soups. Cleaning is simple, just add soap and water, and it cleans itself. The pitcher and tamper are also dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup quick and easy. What we like. This blender is a powerhouse, perfect for making large batches of smoothies or other drinks. It has a large capacity and a powerful motor. If you like to make smoothies for the whole family, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The blender works great. It works great for simple blends or to even make shaved ice for drinks. Works great. My wife loves this blender. She can make amazing salsas and blends of chilies for menudo and pozole. My son and daughter love the smaller attachments that makes their iced coffee and milkshakes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.